we are going to read the story about who's this?
Dinosaur.
It's a dinosaur, but have you ever seen his cartoons?
No.
It's Baby Bob. He's a Baby Bob dinosaur.
Baby Bob.
And you know, she's,
Baby Bob.
yeah, and you know, she is Barney's sister. See here. Dino. What's her name? And what's her name? Can you tell me her name? Baby Bob. It's going to be Baby Bob's first day at school. Do you want to see how her day is going to be at the school?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start. Let's go to school. This is the front page of the book. What is this? Front. Let's open the book and let's see what's going to happen in the book. Baby Bob is so excited. She's visiting a preschool today. Have fun, says Barney. Who's this? Okay, Ibrahim, look here. Who's this? This is her brother. This is Baby Bob and this is her brother. Have fun, says Barney. I'll pick you up after the school. A friend shows Baby Bob a special place. She's going to put the blanket in her cubby. You put your bags in the cubby. She's also going to put her blanket in the cubby. Playing with block is a lot of fun. Do you see Baby Bob's house? Can you see Baby Bob's house? Where is it? Yes. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Here comes the car. Yeah. Scamper is a soft and cuddly guinea pig. He loves to eat crunchy carrots. What is this? This is a guinea pig. What is this? Guinea pig. And what does she like to eat? Carrot. Now Baby Bob is going to make a sand castle. You also play with sand in your school? Yeah, look, she's making a sand castle. Yeah, that's Baby Bob. These are friends at the school and she's making a sand castle. Okay, and then she leads a marching band. How do you lead a marching band? You march? Yes? Oh, look at the red picture Baby Bob is painting. She's painting a red picture and her friends are also painting. Finger paint feels so squishy. We will do finger paint after this, okay? At story time, the teacher reads Baby Bob's favorite book. Baby Bob loves to read stories. There are really good books at her school. Look, she's enjoying her story time. Like you guys? Like you guys are enjoying your story time? It's fun to pretend to be a doctor. Doctor. Hello. I'm Dr. Amna. Hello, Dr. Ahil. Are invited to a pretend tea party. They are going to have a tea party. Who likes to have a tea party? Yes, it's fun. Don't forget to wash your hands before eating your snack. Yum, yum. Snack time is so much fun. Whee! Baby Bob is riding her tricycle on the playground. Here comes the ball. Catch it! Now she's also going to play with the ball and they're going to catch the ball. They're having so much fun at the playground. Let's see what happens next now. It's time to go home already. And Barney, his brother, is there to pick him up. See this picture I painted. It's super duper, says Barney. Baby Bob waves goodbye. School is fun and I cannot wait to come back to school. Baby Bob. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to go and sit on the table and everybody is going to draw Barney and Baby Bob at school. Okay? Let's go. Let's start. You're making a boy? Nobody is making a dinosaur? Yes, good job. What are you making, Ahil? And what are you making? Okay, let's see. Okay. Let's see what you all draw. Your dinosaur is spiky? Lovely. Very nice, Mujtaba. Excellent, Wali. You can draw a dinosaur. You can make them playing with the ball. Very nice, Ahil. Look at this, teacher. Lovely. What is this, Ibrahim? I think it's a Baby Bob, or is it Barney? It's Barney. Now, can you color the Barney? You can color it. No, there's no white color. You can leave the space white. Oh God, Wali, what an absolutely beautiful Barney. Wow, Ahil. Lovely, Ibrahim. I'm so proud of you with your imagination. You can draw Barney now. He's pink. He's pink and green. Okay, you can draw the girl. They are friends with Barney and Baby Bob. This is how you can help the child imagine what they have heard, develop their imagination. This is how their creativity comes out. If you give them paper after the story time, they become more creative, more confident, and it also helps improve their speech. You can see how every child is trying to put their imagination on the table. What is this? Dino. Ibrahim, what are you making? What is this? Is it Barney?
No.
Huh?
What's this? A dino.
It's a dino. So in his imagination, he's still thinking about dinosaur, and she's thinking about a pretty girl. And what is this, Mujtaba? Dinosaur. And what is this, Wali?
Grass eater.
He's a grass eater. Good. See, imagination. Dinosaur. And what does your dinosaur eat? Meat or grass? Meat. This is a meat-eating dinosaur. And what did you draw, Isa? What is this? Brother? Very nice. So he is stuck with the brother. That Baby Bob has a brother who is a Barney.